I know what time is it.
I was about to tell that any cartoon timings, maybe Gagan should be able to update all of us what
Exactly.
I want.
Yeah, so regarding that interview someday, so I believe Mohit had asked what time or yeah, maybe. So I told 3 fits me well because 3 is Peppa Pig. So for 2 hours I can happily, without any disturbance.
Hi, Shalja.
Hi, Anshay. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Done
hello.
feeding your little one?
Anshay?
Done feeding your little one?
Yeah. got late with that one.
Okay.
Usually he sleeps on after his breakfast and then, so he gets up by 1:30.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I wanted a meeting to be at 3 o'clock.
Nah, we could guess that, the little one's feeding time. Yeah, no problem. So here and all of us are there then.
Yeah. Praneeth will start.
Yeah.
So Praneeth, today you are sitting tired of
Room changer, house change.
Shalja, house change is a big question that you've asked him. Huh?
No, there's something that inspired him yesterday, so I thought.
House changes, we need to ask whose house, who's giving him company, so questions will go for him.
Praneeth, come on.
No, his question mark
For
question.
you only.
You're not
He's still, I think he's trying to give some cover up answer or something.
Yes,
maybe.
he's
That's
trying
why.
to think what answer.
The question
Maybe your question is correct, valid, Sailaja. Maybe it's not, it's a new house.
Praneeth is like, you guys are all attacking me. This is like I'm supposed to ask, and it's like the reverse happening. What, Praneeth?
Praneeth, I can't hear you. Why
Yeah, we can't hear you.
Yeah, very low.
Now you able to hear me?
Yes.
So first thing, I don't know who asked me the question.
Doesn't matter. You have to answer.
You know question, right? I think some problem with the audio, Praneeth.
Okay, let me connect again.
Yeah, I think we can hear you.
Okay. Shall
Come
we-
forward. Speak as much high.
Speak now.
Able to hear me now?
Yeah.
So what was the question, Shailja?
Oh, no, who asked?
The whole masala is out now. The whole story was on you, and you didn't understand it, so we were trying to joke around that.
Okay. I didn't get the question.
No, is it trying to escape or what?
No, really, I don't know the question.
That's okay, carry on.
So, yeah, Mohit, you want me to ask yesterday's question or we can go?
No, we'll go with today's activity.
You can ask, yeah.
More than everyone, Mohit seems to be all ready today.
How many people wanted me to ask Mohit the last question? Okay,
Hey,
Prasad.
we can ask. All of us.
All of us, sir.
Okay.
Apart from tea, what is your biggest addiction?
Apart from tea, what is your biggest addiction?
Okay.
Roti.
What?
Roti, paneer, you say.
In terms of food, you are saying, or?
Whichever you want to tell.
Okay, so I like to have sev, namkeen, you know, right? Sev.
Yes.
So Indore is quite famous for that. So like in every meal, I will try to have if it is available. So whenever we come back, we'll have a lot of stock with us. So that is a kind of addiction. Like.
Oh yes, it is then very difficult to get out of that addiction.
Yeah, and you also have that.
I had it and I came out of it.
Okay. So in Indore, like it's quite famous, and you'll have more than 300 varieties of it. So you can just keep trying. So the only store I could find it here in Hyderabad is Ratnadeep, where you get this Haldiram's one. And there are also like few typical ones that we like. That is a kind of addiction, like for me.
So you have you have it just like that or with the food?
No, with food, with roti.
I remember Rahul also used to buy every time for lunch, right? Every time he will get one namkeen pack.
Something like that. Right.
I saw Jyoti getting some 10 rupees packet of namkeen while eating.
Gagan, you're on.
Never. I will never ever have namkeen with food. More so, people here in Oracle, I've seen the earlier colleagues, they used to have cold mix with the food. So I used to wonder what a combination, bakwas of a combination actually.
No, that's a very good, not a very great
For you,
combination in
it's
Hyderabad.
bakwas.
I don't understand. So see the
No, paradise biryani and Coke or some
Right.
cool drink. That is a very great combination actually.
maybe I
And
should
then
not have used
pizza and cold drink.
strong words, but somehow I can't say
So,
that.
like, even I don't like it.
That's the heaviness of the biryani or the right. That's why they
Spicy,
normally
yeah.
serve it. That's in Hyderabad. It's a pretty common thing. Yeah. It's a
I thought
very.
it is like, oh, then sorry for my words. I will take it back.
I mean, Gagan, it is with biryani, like kind of spicy item
Yeah.
with that
No,
only,
but
not
I've
with
seen-
normal food.
No,
in general.
people used to have it even with the normal food also. So I used to.
For food, there is no combination, Gagan. You can eat anything at any time, at any point of time.
That is the expert answer.
There is no combination.
Yeah, but I never used to have it.
But-
I have that addiction only with the tea, not otherwise.
So with pizza also, you don't like to have a cold drink, Gagan? Because that complements very well.
Pizza will not go down your throat actually without that.
Right.
And more so, actually me and my husband, we hardly used to have, but if at all we used to have back in Delhi. So we used to have our desi solution to that. After pizza, we used to have tea just to.
Right.
Oh, good.
Right, then we'll get into the play. So the first round will be of riddles. So I want
Okay.
to keep away your, Google kind of things.
Will not do, Praneeth. Trust on us.
So I'll start with the questions. So Jyoti, first question.
Okay, is there any timer for that? As in time limit for?
You can think for a minute, 30 seconds to a minute.
30 seconds, half a minute, you said?
Yes.
30
30
seconds to 1
seconds.
minute.
Okay, fine.
So you should not answer before 30 seconds, okay?
But that will not be that quick because I'm out of those things as of now. So
Most of us are out of the league, Gagan. That's okay.
okay, let me try.
Nobody should answer this. Only Jyoti have to do that. So, question: what belongs to you, Jyoti? But you, what belongs to you, but get used by everyone else more than you?
What is used by me
What belongs to,
belongs to me.
but get used by everyone other than you?
My memories.
Who uses it?
Why would other use your memory?
As in the memories or the things which are associated with me, like my talk or my, presence somewhere else, and someone else, like from my family, they miss me like that.
No, wrong answer, Jyoti.
I'll tell that.
Another, wait. Let me try. It belongs to me and
It will be used by others more.
Then you.
see, okay. But the only thing which comes to my mind is like my face. I cannot see it. It belongs to me, but people see it.
People
Like that.
use it like
Used. I know it did not fit in the context, but
Shailaja knows the answer.
is it?
I'm thinking of something that the way you're answering it, it's a great, complete out of it.
No, but see, the context-wise, it can be thought with that way, right? See, it belongs to you, but it is mostly.
From her point of view, yeah, it's right, Jyoti. I agree with you.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. It is. I am sure this must be very simple thing, which is not striking me right now. It is.
It should have.
Hint, clue.
Clue.
हम दोनों एक ही तरफ सोच. हाँ?
Others can try.
Clue. No.
One minute up.
Huh?
1 minute up.
Just before Praneeth also used it.
Ah, right. Also used just before.
My name.
Ah.
Got it.
Because when he started the question, he was telling Jyoti Jyoti, right? And we always call it Gagan, right? So it just struck me, and then he asked this question.
No, he
So,
normally says, he starts like that, right?
he starts like that, but we call Gagan, right? So when he told Jyoti, it somehow struck me, and then he immediately asked this question. So I could relate it very easily.
So
I thought it is a mobile number also
Exactly.
suitable, right?
Even I was thinking that number, mobile number.
Correct. Very true. That is also correct, I believe. Right, Mr. Quizmaster?
Yes.
Multiple answers are there, right? Or like only one?
Quizmaster.
With him, there is one answer, but if any other answer fits in the question, it's acceptable type.
Okay, okay,
You got
fine.
a bonus points for that.
So okay, that is fine. This question is for Mohit. Mohit,
Okay.
If I drink, I die. If I eat, I am fine. What am I?
If I drink, I'll die.
Hmm.
If I eat,
I'm fine.
After 30 seconds, you should think of some clue also, Penny.
Yeah, I was about to tell
Clue.
now.
mhm.
Clue.
Some hint, at least some context or some, so we can think in that direction.
So that is very needed when you want to cook something.
Oil?
Huh?
No,
Oil.
I'm telling.
Did you say oil? Did you say oil? Oil खाओगे कैसे यार?
Cooking से मतलब वही होता है ना.
हाँ.
Fire.
Yes, Anjana, that is correct.
If you drink is what fire?
Like if it drinks water, like if water is like there, the fire gets off, right? Like
So water is saying that actually.
no, fire is saying that. Like if I drink anything,
The question
I'll
is
be
to
off.
find out who is saying that. It's a
correct.
description about that object. The object is telling
Okay.
if you eat me, I know you'll be, if you drink, if I drink some, what is the question? I missed it out.
If I drink, I die.
Yeah. So if you pour water, it's like drinking. So the fire will die.
Okay.
So it should say if I drink water, then I die.
Drink is obviously a liquid thing only, right?
Now it can be Coca-Cola or anything else also.
Lincoln is saying.
Yeah, I think if water was said in the riddle, it would be very easy. That means. Apparently, maybe.
Even if you pour petrol, fire will not die.
Good
Obviously.
point, Prasad.
Right.
Like exceptions.
We handle
There
it.
is no exception handling block here. So here's only the main block. So we shouldn't think of exceptions.
Okay. Prasad, your question.
Hmm.
Because you said petrol.
Because he said petrol.
What travels the world while stuck in one spot?
I
Got it.
Say again.
What travels the world
think so. I know the answer.
Okay.
while stuck in one spot?
I know.
Maybe I can also guess.
It's stuck
I
in
can
one
think of
spot.
2 questions actually. 2 answers, sorry.
You can prepare the answers and send it me in WhatsApp.
Stuck in one point, travel the world. You can use Google Maps.
But you cannot travel the world using Google Map, right?
My mind.
No.
Eh. So that's only 2 answers I have.
Baba Prasad. बाबा राहुल चले गए, छोड़ दिए बाबा प्रसाद को.
अरे mind सही answer है भाई.
Yes. I mean, in a way, it can travel anywhere.
Yes, that's the answer.
But then
You are expecting some other answer, Praneeth?
It is non-living thing.
Like traveling world
And you
is
can't see, right?
My
not
mind is
like
also not living only.
traveling thing which literally travels, like not just an imaginary traveling, but
Praneeth, see my answer in Slack.
Yeah, I saw it. I
Not
heard no. I heard Prasad saying that his mind is non-living thing.
Yeah. What
Okay.
else?
Shall I say the answer?
Okay.
Mohit, guess.
Is
Surya?
it globe?
Ice.
Sun.
Yes, that can be also good answer actually.
I thought globe because it is at one point and then you turn it. The entire world is done.
See, mind is also there. Internet is there, right?
I told maps.
What is answer? What is answer?
I'll reveal it. The answer. Stamp.
Huh?
Stamp.
stamp, postal
Stamp.
stamp.
Okay.
Hey, if it's
Stuck
a
at one place. Okay.
See, mind is also very valid answer.
I said it's a non-living thing. The mind is.
See, when we gave the answer, then you added the question. That is bad.
We need little point for globe and mind.
Okay. So, Anjana, this is for you.
Okay.
What moves faster, heat or cold?
So we have an answer with the justification in that we need to give.
Yes, justification is also needed.
What moves faster, heat or cold?
Yeah.
It's something funny in that.
Correct.
I know.
What moves faster?
Somebody else is knowing.
What moves faster?
Yeah.
What moves faster, heat or cold?
Move is moving, right? Moving,
Which moves faster?
which goes faster.
Whichever it is. Moves goes faster.
Cold. What is the correlation between the clue?
RRR movie, Rajamouli RRR movie is based on that only. Triple R. And it's not a clue, Anjana. I'm just relating to that. I mean, cold
No,
and
I am
fire.
asking Praneeth clue.
So it is related to something like winter.
It is related to
Winter.
winter.
Season, you mean to say? Season.
Cold.
Cheating, Anjana, you are cheating.
You're asking somebody else.
Yeah.
No, my son is asking, should he give the answer? I said, no, I'm not listening to him. He's here only. He heard the question. I'm telling
So heat or
heat.
okay, heat is the answer. So why heat and why not cold? The answer.
Something to do with heater. Something to do with heater.
Cold is heavy and heat is like
Scientific reason. Gagan is giving scientific reason. Maybe eat. Maybe he meant about eat or heat.
Heat.
H-E-A-T.
Eating.
No,
spell,
no, I
spell
don't.
H-E-A-T. H.
Okay, half point only, half brownie only. The remaining half you take tell.
Okay, answer is heat because we can catch cold.
Okay.
So moves faster is heat.
I
We
didn't-
can catch.
Seriously. So be close to mic, dude. Be close to mic.
Acha, it is there. Now you are able to hear me now clearly.
Make use of your lunch.
You are able to hear me, right?
Yes.
So next is Shailja. If it took 8 men 10 hours to build a wall, how long would it take for 4 men?
8 men to build a wall.
If it took 8 men 10 hours to build a wall, how long?
Okay.
4 men.
It's already built. What you have to build? You have to build another wall.
Sorry, I'm not clear about the question. Please repeat.
He
Already
said,
answered.
if 8 men took 10 hours to build a wall, how much time would 4 men take? Or
Correct.
that's the question.
Yes.
That's
So when the wall is already built, you have to build one more wall. That you have to clarify.
The answer is the wall is already built.
That's the
That
answer.
is
That's what she said.
that's what I said. No, I think Andra, our interview questions are getting easier, I guess. The recent interview talks we took now, the analytic and all these things we are
By
trying
any
to.
chance, was this question asked to Praneeth during his interview by anybody?
I was the
Oh.
person, so I didn't ask.
I still remember that question, that bridge wala. People will be having
People.
17 minutes.
Crossing the bridge.
crossing the bridge.
Okay.
So Surya, if there is a bowl of 5 apples
Mhm.
and you took 3 away,
Mhm.
how many do you have?
Bowl of 5 and I took 3 away.
Huh.
I will have 5.
Why?
I mean, I will still have 5, right?
No.
I
Said if there is a bowl of 5
okay.
Next week,
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
oh,
okay. If you have bowl of 5 and you
Apple.
have taken 3, how many do
Sorry.
you have?
Okay, bowl of 5 bowls.
Bowl of
All
5.
of five apples, you took
Apple.
away 3. You took away 3. How many do you have now? I think I'm very no clear.
It has to be with the context where we are talking about.
Bowl of 5 apples and I took away 3. 3 apples only, right?
yes.
Shailaja already
How
told
many
me.
apples left?
How many do you have right now?
Concentrate on wording.
Yeah.
Concentrate on
Can
the
you
word.
repeat once again? Sorry.
If there is a bowl of 5 apples and you took away 3, how many do you have?
3.
Yeah, correct answer.
Good.
Good, sorry. The next question, Jyoti.
Oh, my turn.
Very difficult one, Jyoti.
Yeah.
Which room has no walls?
Which room has no walls?
Ah.
Must be in some name, right? Let me think which rooms.
Whether washroom.
नहीं first thing came to my mind was washroom. मैंने कहा अरे नहीं उसमें तो होती है.
The way you're turning around and saying right now.
Think of words that end with some room.
That's what. Washroom, bedroom, सारे wall वाले याद आ रहे हैं यार. Bridegroom.
I got that. I got that.
Room.
I said room.
हाँ तो room तो है ना उसमें.
You also got that.
Now we are also in one room. We are all in one room.
Yeah, right.
Actual room.
Like Prasad.
Wrong answer, Jyoti.
अच्छा ठहरना सोचने दे. Room. So bridegroom is bad, हाँ? अरे वो झाड़ू. Broom.
No.
अबे उसमें भी रूम है. कितने कहाँ से लाऊं रूम में सारे. The one which I got, you are not.
No, they gave a clue, Gagan.
I have a clue. That is eatable.
Eatable.
I got it now. I got it. Now the clue is simple, Gagan.
It happens actually. See, when it is not your turn, you are able to guess.
No. I am telling with the clue only I got it. That's why. That's the reason. The moment he told that eatable, right? That is the biggest clue. Maybe if my answer is correct.
Eatable.
Yeah. Can I give another clue to Gagan?
I am able to get
I'll
all
just
the
try.
words ending with room, groom, bridegroom, broom.
Eatable, Gagan.
Just giving one more clue.
So you go for a buffet or something, right? You remind of all the things which are available there. So one item, okay, which will give you that answer. hope I am not confusing her.
It's veg, but not all vegetarians eat it.
We make biryani with it.
I got
You
it.
got it right.
Seriously? Oh, why I'm not getting it?
Even
It
you
is one of the
don't
ingredients.
like. Even you don't like it, Gagan.
That's why maybe it is not striking to her.
हाँ maybe. नहीं ingredient है क्या?
नहीं vegetable.
Main vegetable.
Maybe something in veg which you don't eat. Okay, another clue.
If I don't eat, then
Maybe that then options are less, right? If something.
Think of some toppings on pizza.
ma-
Chat room.
I said
Yeah.
virtual room. Same thing, na?
Yeah, generally, we call
Huh.
it
rooms, yeah.
chat room also.
Yes,
also
that is also correct.
Anyway,
No, but that's also fine, na? You don't think so?
Half point to Prasad and Gagan for virtual room, chat room.
Okay. Then okay.
Okay.
Your voice is gone, Pranit, again.
Able to hear me now?
Yeah,
Huh,
yeah.
Yeah.
now.
Mohit, on which side of a chicken there are more feathers?
He'll not even eat chicken. What are you asking him?
मोहित कहाँ से जवाब देगा यार?
Prasad would have answered this question.
He knows how many feathers also.
On which side of chicken there are no feathers?
More feathers.
more feathers you said,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, more for them.
No, I guess it will be equal on both the sides.
Any funny answer other than that?
Which side has feathers or else?
Has for this.
Both
हाँ,
sides.
with-
तो वेज को क्या पूछते
Top side.
Die hard vegetarian. You would have hardly
I
seen a
think-
hen
I
also.
think,
No feathers at all.
second.
The answer is outside.
Okay.
Oh.
Right, right.
Okay. I said top side. I mean, maybe like I should have.
I thought it is in bucket. After playing, it will be in
Okay.
bucket, right?
Great, great thinking.
But Prasad will have altogether a different answer for every question, right?
The
Point
alignment is different.
for thinking out of the box.
Yes, yes.
Prasad, what two keys can't open any door?
What?
What?
What two keys can't open any door?
2 keys.
I think I remember this question somewhere.
What two keys? What two words or what two keys?
Donkey.
Monkey.
Monkey can open.
Yeah, monkey and donkey.
Hey, monkey can open door, yeah.
If you train even a donkey can
Donkey
open.
can't open. Can monkey can open the door, right?
But if you train a donkey also, that will also open, I guess.
Nay, if latch is not there, donkey can also open it, right? The door.
The exception is not there.
Okay. So I answered one donkey and Anjana helped me. It's monkey. Okay.
Right. Next is Anjana.
Yeah.
What has a thumb and 4 fingers, but is not actually alive?
Chair.
No.
It has
Table.
thumb also.
What
It
has
has come.
4 fingers, but it is not alive?
The chair and table.
I got the answer.
What has a thumb and a forefinger?
4 fingers,
4 fingers.
which is not alive.
Seriously, the answers you are getting, but you won't get your own answer.
4 fingers. 4 fingers, I thought it's chair, but no.
It has thumb also.
That's what.
Maybe I also got. See, it happens to you once you know. If
It's a fork?
Others.
Sorry,
Is it a fork? No.
Maybe somewhat close, Praneeth?
no.
No?
Is it which gives air?
Air.
Fan.
No thumb in that.
There's only 3 blades, so not the 4th one, right?
I think I got it, maybe.
I got it.
Clue.
So that's wearable.
Huh?
That is
You can wear it, Anjana.
Okay, I got it.
Wear it. Gloves.
Yeah.
It can be socks also, right?
ये toe का thumb नहीं बोलते ना. Leg gun.
एक बात हो गई. पैर का thumb है वो पैर का thumb है.
socks will be
And
plain.
you know what? अच्छा, not 4 fingers. I thought comb भी हो सकता है, लेकिन it will be like more than 4 fingers. 4
Yeah, your question. Which word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly?
Surya is not there. You are asking Surya?
No, Shailja.
Shailja?
Me, okay. Which word is?
Which word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly?
Which word in the dictionary is spelled?
I know.
Which word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly? Yeah? Incorrectly only.
Yes.
Yes, very simple. And you got it.
Incorrectly or correctly? Incorrectly only. Which word in the dictionary? How is that? Which word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly?
You
Is
answered it,
incorrect.
right?
You incorrectly spelled as incorrectly only, right, Shalja?
You answered.
Which word is spelled in English incorrectly?
Incorrect
Okay.
word itself, right?
Got it.
Okay.
I
So
think chicken cooking in my house.
Surya.
it is Surya.
Yeah. Sorry, I was disconnected.
Okay, what is always coming but never arrives?
Always coming but never arrives.
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 Bonus.
What is always coming but never arrives?
Always coming but never arrives. Stars. Blue.
Next day.
Correct.
Tomorrow.
That is always coming but never arrives.
Okay, now Hiranmai can take care of her riddles.
Okay.
Okay.
You both also ask each other, right? One at least.
Gagan, you can ask.
You can ask Jyoti.
If you have anything ready.
Okay, maybe till time, someone else is asking, I'll try to think of. I might not be able to get as hard as they asked, but maybe simple one.
Gagan, this is for you only.
She'll say, first you answer yours, then we'll see.
No, like in order again, you can.
Yes, please tell me.
Okay, is it correct to say the yolk of the egg is white or the yolk of the egg are white?
So yolk of the egg.
It's a grammar test, right?
Kind of. Like, what is correct? The yolk of, like, how do we say the yolk of egg is white or the yolk of the egg are white?
If you are using egg, then it should be is. If you're asking about eggs, then it should be are.
No, both are not correct because yolks of egg are in yellow, not white.
I don't know. I don't.
This was the wrong question of your experience.
Otherwise, maybe
Was
the wrong
not grammar
person.
then.
Yeah, maybe it's not. Maybe I should know because egg is very common, so should have known.
Okay, Mohit.
Yeah.
What has 88 keys but no doors?
Windows.
No doors. 88 keys.
88 keys
80.
and no
80.
doors.
Yeah.
8 keys or 88 keys?
88.
Maybe a keyboard or something like that.
Like which keyboard? Like
वो याद है मैं
Keyboard.
मैं कीबोर्ड देख रही थी उसमें एरिया इंक्रीज नहीं है.
I think
QWERTY keyboard.
you are close. I believe, Mohit.
like specific keyboard. Like Shailja
Okay,
is giving
then
all answers.
piano. Piano
Yeah,
will be the
yeah,
thing.
piano.
इसमें
Generally,
इतने केस होते हैं क्या? I didn't know.
Hey,
I didn't know
शैलजा
that.
ने cheating कराई है भाई, गलत बात.
again, it depends on the octave, how many octaves you have in a piano.
Oh.
Based on that only you can decide whether it is 88 key or lesser number of keys.
Oh.
When she said keys, I was trying to look out at the keyboard and see, but it doesn't have 80 alphabets and numbers and some extra keys. It goes 40, 40 plus.
Yeah, okay.
But anyway, we call piano a keyboard only generally in general terms.
So I was like, okay, you meant piano only, but to be specific, I was asking.
Right.
Okay, Prasad, what flies without wings?
Aeroplane?
What flies without wings? What?
Aeroplane?
Plane has wings.
Plane is wing.
Plane has wings, no?
What flies?
Without wings.
I know.
Yeah, I too got some answer. Not
Yeah,
sure.
I think we got some answers.
Yeah.
What flies without wings? What is
We commonly use that statement, I believe.
clue?
We generally say, right, if it goes, it never comes back, kind of.
Time.
It's time.
Time. Okay.
Anjana,
Yes.
what is a word which is heavy from forward but useless from backward?
Heavy from?
Forward,
Okay.
but is of no use from backward.
What is the word or what is the thing?
Word.
Actually, the
Oh, Anjana went off. Okay, your power is off and
Power off, I guess.
no, but even the video is stuck.
we just stuck.
For the last question, even the balloon also correct, right? Balloon.
Balloons, or then we can have
Balloons.
rockets as well. Rockets.
Maybe those will not fly, right? Actually, yeah, okay.
They will
Not
go.
sure. I mean, balloon ideally once it goes up, it will not come back. Of course, maybe at some other place.
So other answer would be hot wings also.
Hot wings.
Something to eat, right? I
Prasad,
knew.
right? It will
Brothers should have answered this. Just
Anjana,
kidding, brother.
Anjana lost connection, it seems. So this question is passed to Shailja.
Oh,
Okay, can you repeat the question?
Okay, what is a word which is very heavy from forward but is of no use from backward?
Heavy from forward, no use from backward. Heavy only.
No.
Heavy?
No, like
Not-
the backward also has a meaning but is of no
Okay.
use.
Use.
Useless is like
Useless.
it's not heavy.
Useless. It's not heavy means like it has a meaning, but you will not be able to use it any.
For anything which we don't use it for something like weight things.
Weight things, huh?
From forward, it's heavy.
GST.
maybe I guess, I'm not sure. She said that, I think. In her-
I said in the middle.
yes.
Useless, no.
I said the backward word in the middle, like while
Think
talking.
about the word.
Wait.
Wait होना चाहिए, right?
Weight में उल्टा क्या होता है?
हाँ.
TH.
But it has to have meaning.
It has to have meaning in this reverse thing and the forward both.
Oh, I thought it was weight. Che.
Is it wetless?
No.
Oh, what is it now?
It's ton, T-O-N, ton. If you reverse it, it's not.
Not. Okay.
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 Nice. Very nice.
I was stuck with kilogram and gram. I didn't go beyond that.
Okay, Surya, if 11 plus 2 equals to 1, what does 9 plus 5 equals to?
11 plus 2 is equal to?
1.
Okay.
What does 9 plus 5 equal to?
11 plus 2 is 1.
Sorry. Hey, what was the answer for that?
Ton, Anjana, TON.
Oh, okay.
The video is not on, Anjana.
Yeah, video is not.
Yeah.
Got it. Who's answering? Surya now, right?
Yeah.
Surya, you're there, right?
Question to me, I didn't know.
You only.
Sorry, there was. Yeah, I thought you were responding, right? The question first were you that question? Sorry, can you repeat again?
Okay. If 11 plus 2 equals to 1, what does 9 plus 5 equals to?
11 plus 2 is equal to 1, and 9 plus 5 equals to.
Like, where is this 11 plus 2 equals to 1? On that basis, you can get like 9 plus 5.
Okay, months, right? 11 plus 2, it's January, right? So, right, 9 plus 5 means like the September plus 5. October, November, December, January, February.
That also makes sense, actually.
Actually, now I understood that. That also makes sense. But okay.
So your answer is 2, Surya.
Okay, then I don't want to think more. You can give your answer.
9 plus 5 is September.
Yeah, but that also answers the right thing. It comes to 2 only. Anyways, I am talking about clockwise, like based on clock. It also has 12, right? So it matches anyway.
Yeah, it matches actually. 12, right? Okay.
Good, Surya, good.
Yeah, nice, very nice.
Actually, So Anjana, I'll ask this question.
Yes.
What has cities but no houses, forests but no trees, water but no fish?
It's a very common one I've heard earlier. What has?
Cities but no houses, forests but no trees, water but no fish.
This should actually get you more close answer, because you gave this answer for one of the puzzles also.
Did I give an answer for one of the puzzles?
Yeah, you gave this answer for.
Anything can be considered, both of yours.
You gave this answer for one of the puzzles, so you should.
I think now I understood. Yeah, I got Anjana. I got that answer.
See, that is what your question. You never
No. I mean, from the clue which Shailaja told, right? That you have already told that.
So what all answers did I say?
The one is something which is study and you will roam across, right? For that, I
Globe.
think.
Globe or map, yeah.
Okay. Now I related that. That's it.
Okay. So it's again Gagan. Gagan, this is not something related like intellectually or something. It's very funny. Try very funnier way. No meaning for this answer. Okay.
Don't use your brain so much.
Like no meaning at all. So just for fun. Okay. So what do you call a doodwala in Dubai? Amma Prasad, my time on this.
Doodwala in Dubai.
दूध वाला only.
हाँ, उसमें क्या फर्क पड़ेगा?
Shake.
Milkshake.
See, that answer she already guessed.
Sorry for that.
Milkshake.
Milkshake. Okay. Anybody can say this. Like we can have like this or else.
Okay, sure. No problem.
How do you say a rose flower to go on to the moon? Prasad, you should not say.
What is the question? Come again.
How do you say to a rose flower to go on to the moon?
No, I should not answer, right?
Or anybody?
Anybody
it's called
else can
Gagan.
answer.
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun.
Jamun. Right. Another one. If all the farmers get stuck in the traffic, what is that scenario called? Anybody can answer. Like if all the farmers.
Kisan Andolan.
Delhi or Andolan.
Don't take it
a
serious.
little near.
Don't take it serious.
Jam.
Kisan jam.
Jam.
Kisan jam.
Kisan jam. Okay.
Kisan jam.
Okay. What do you call a honeybee which has come all the way from America? Prasad, please.
मधुमक्खी आई है.
No. Like okay. What do you call a honeybee which has come all the way from America?
NRI.
American return honeybee. NRI honeybee.
Uh-huh. USB.
I think I read it somewhere, but
Yes.
not able to
Okay.
Okay, this is normal question. The more there is, the less you see. What am I?
The more?
Darkness.
A word I know, 6 letters it contains. Remove 1 letter and 12 remains.
Come again.
A word I know, 6 letters it contains. Remove 1 letter and 12 remains.
6 it contains, remove 1.
This is the last question.
It should be 12 plus 1 more letter.
12.
12 where remain is 12.
It totally has 6 letters.
6
If you
letters.
remove 1 letter, it remains 12.
Well, also spelled as 6 letter only, but if we take 1 letter out, it doesn't make sense.
12.
It's a 6-letter word.
Okay, you generally use it in vegetable market or fruit market.
Dozen.
Yeah, dozens. So if you remove
Dozens.
1 letter,
Dozens. Okay.
it remains with 12. So riddles part is done.
But do we say dozens or dozen?
Okay, it's just a 6-letter word. You remove S and
Remove.
it remains with 12. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah, you are all visible. Am I audible, right?
yeah.
Yes, yes.
So the next round will be some quiz. So for this, we have divided 2 teams, like
2 teams.
Okay.
2 teams. So in each team there will be 3 members. So first team is like Gagan, Prasad, and Anjana.
Okay.
Next team is Mohit, Sharja, and Surya.
Okay.
So these are the questions which you have studied in your school, but still you forgot, kind of.
Okay.
So if we have forgotten, how we will be able to recall?
No.
Gagan will win. She would be teaching her kids.
No.
Somewhere or other you can recollect.
Gagan, Prasad, we need to rely on you guys.
Don't depend on me because my daughter is not past addition and multiplication.
We are still in nursery. Me, Mohit, and Shailaja.
मेरा वाला स्कूल में नहीं जा रहा अभी तो.
And this year no school at all.
Now, Anjana, you have been all these years, right? You have been teaching your
I have been all these. My son 20 turning. Okay.
You had recent revision. That's what I meant.
Recent revision. Let's see.
Okay.
So you remember the teams, right?
Yes. Me, Gagan, Prasad.
Whoever knows, just raise your hand. He will tell like who has raised like first. They will have to answer.
But we won't have time to discuss, right? Quiz means there should be time to discuss, right?
Yeah, you raise the hand and later you can discuss it.
Okay. Question Prasad.
No. What you do is you make sure that whenever someone is raising the hand, you give a chance to. It's a low discussion point. It's like if you ask a question, I can immediately raise a hand and then discuss and this thing, right? So it's not like that. So ask a question. Once they have the answer, they raise the hand. They should immediately answer.
Okay, individually, you mean to say?
Okay.
No, it's up to the team.
Okay.
If one, but discussion point. That I think on one of the team members should know the answer. That's only no discussion, I guess, Anjana.
Yeah, no discussion. I think if all the 3, 5 say it's incorrect, then the other can try it out in the.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think that's the only way we can do. Okay.
So this is
Come on, shoot.
Yeah, Anjana's team. 7 continent names.
Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, North America. And how many did I say?
5.
Antarctica.
5.
And Asia, Europe,
Yes.
Australia, Africa, North America, Antarctica, and
You already
seventh. Come on, guys.
You said North America, no?
South America.
Huh.
South America.
Huh.
Great,
Okay.
Anjana. Great.
So this is for team 2. Spelling of Massachusetts.
What is that?
Shailaja, please go ahead.
We did not learn this in a school year.
So word, I didn't get the word also.
If this word would have come, you would have written it incorrectly.
Massachusetts.
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 Syllable wise. Huh. Massachusetts.
Better. I will not try to read also, not write also.
I'm not getting the correct word also.
Yeah, it's very difficult.
It's a
It's a
place.
place in US, I guess, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Ah.
No, at least I should get.
Who is telling in team?
No one in team 2. I think team 1 is saying.
Acha.
Very difficult here.
Massachusetts.
I guess the pronunciation itself is wrong here. I think so.
Question is wrong, I think.
Surya,
Why? Because this kind of question cannot be asked in this kind of why? Because pronunciation matters a lot in spelling, right?
Actually, I didn't get the word also.
Silent
seriously.
words will be there. It's all like.
We have given the like pronunciation based on the spelling only, so that you can
say it again. Say it
Say it again.
Massachusetts.
M-A-S. M-A-S.
Yes.
Massa. M-A-S-A. Choose, that is C-H-I-C-H-U. Chu.
Stress on S. Massachusetts.
CC.
She's giving
M-A-S-S-A.
stress.
M-A-S-S-A. C-H-U-E.
S-E-T-S.
Choosets.
C-H-E-W.
C-H-U. C-H-W. C-H-W. C-H-E-W.
W नहीं है.
W नहीं है.
ना नहीं है.
How do you know?
Choose.
C-H-U.
C-H-E-W.
No, C-H-U. M-A-S-S-A-C-H-U.
Acha, can I share my screen? Anjana, you can correct it. I just wrote it down. I have not copied it.
Just type it in chat.
Okay, we can also type.
This Anjana, you please correct.
Acha. Choose.
Yeah.
Stress on every S.
C-H-U-S-C-T-T-S.
I guess it should be double T at the last.
Yeah.
What is it? Anjana, you tell me. I don't know.
Even I don't know. I was just guessing.
Prasad.
Hey, it's not our team question.
M-A-S-S-A-C-H-U-S-C-T-T-S.
They did not answer. It will come to us only.
Yeah, just type it. Please check.
Acha. Surya.
That's a double T-S.
Double T.
C-H-U-S-E-T-T-S.
Massachusetts.
That E is not there.
Yeah, correct.
Not there.
Oh, yeah.
Surya is correct. Yeah, this is also correct.
Sorry, actually, I cheated. Actually, don't mind.
Not C-H-U-E, it's just U.
C-H-U.
Then it's not my fault.
Yeah.
Massachusetts.
No, Surya's is correct. Yeah.
Then this point goes to who?
Our team only.
Surya's team.
It's draw actually.
But he already confessed that he has cheated.
Yeah, he cheated.
It will come to us then.
There is.
No, you asked us to type, right? So while I was typing, Google automatically suggested that. It's not, I was trying the immediate toolbar like which I have is like Google. So I just it suggested.
Yeah, I guess we did. The point comes to us. The point comes to us.
Okay. So Anjana's question.
Yeah.
Colors in rainbow.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. With Geo.
Correct. 3 points. Anjana, 3 points. And Mohit's team 0.
Why 3 points? Or is it like 1?
I want you to answer.
We are having 3 points, Gagan.
No, but
maybe he has
1 point per question.
Yes.
But Shailaja's team's question also, right?
Answer right, huh?
Right. Correct. Yes.
So Mohit's question: total bones in human body.
206.
206.
So if it is broken, then
minus
No, they-
those many.
If it's broken,
Wait, how many
207.
broke?
But-
Oh, sorry,
No.
yeah, two.
Right, Prasad.
One is broken in 207.
No, by the time they
Bro.
grow up, I think they reduce also, right? I think so.
No, if you no, it
one bone, if
increase
it's broken, that will become 2, right?
two.
Plus
No,
1.
no, he's asking a different count. When you grow up, the 206 reduces to some other number also after we grown up completely.
Oh, that one. Oh,
So I was telling that, but the initial actually is 206.
So they they got the point.
yes,
Obviously,
हाँ तो उसको announce करना चाहिए ना.
it
you
is.
have a gin रहा है क्या?
So Mohit, you got 1 point. So this question is for Anjana's team. Chemical formula of sulfuric acid.
H2SO4.
SO4.
Correct.
Oh,
Good, good.
Mohit, Newton's first law of motion.
we actually
Equal
Equals
Robert
to
to
said
MC
that.
square. Equals to MC square.
Yeah.
square.
Sorry.
Equals to
Equal
MC
to MC
square.
square.
Okay.
Don't ask for explanation
Mohit
of
said
more
that.
than that.
Okay, Mohit, 2 points. This question for Anjana's team. A plus B whole cube formula.
AQ plus BQ plus CQ plus
3AB.
3AB into A plus
Plus 3.
Pass.
Not yet, not
Why
yet.
pass? Let her speak.
Wait. A plus B whole cube,
You
right?
say, Prasad, you say.
A cube plus B cube plus 2AB plus 2BC.
Yeah.
No.
A cube
No,
plus B cube
A-
plus
Correct,
2AB
correct.
plus 1
BQ plus 3AB
into
3A plus 3 है क्या?
3A square B or 3AB.
Yes.
yeah
Yes.
3A square B
You're
plus
going
3B
good,
square.
Anjana.
3A square B plus 3AB square
Square.
plus
That's it.
3AB square. Yes.
Yeah, okay. E equal to MC
You
square.
had a
is
very
wrong.
good revision, Anjana.
Okay, for before question, Newton's first law is not equal to MC square.
Oh, that is
He has
wrong.
given point for us.
Einstein का relativity theory
That
पता
is
है?
like
That is relativity.
energy related.
वो
But first law of Newton is different.
वो है क्या कि
Distance
it
is
never
equal to speed by time.
never dies, it goes, it changes
No,
its
like
form.
if it object changes its form only when an external force is applied on it.
Law of inertia.
Inertia.
Law of inertia.
Inertia.
तो 0 point हो गया तुम्हारा वो पिछला वाला.
But he gave it. So now we cannot do anything.
It can't be reverted.
Yeah. Empire decision, right?
You
ये
get 5 points, right?
empire वाले का
Yeah,
भी
it's
होता
an
है ना?
audio problem. हो गया था.
Yes.
Again, it's lost.
But he asked the next question, right? So before that, he had to say that.
अरे वो जो होता है थर्ड अंपायर वाला भी तो होता है ना?
But for that, you have a time limit for that.
No,
But
we-
nobody
we
objected.
are appealing.
Nobody objected from other teams, so it's fine.
Gagan,
We are, appealing.
they got only 1 point. We are 5 points.
अरे fine, ले लो.
Okay. Who answered right now?
Anjana
We-
answered.
We-
Next, Mohit. What do you call fear of darkness? Or
Some
Word.
phobia. Some phobia.
What phobia?
Phobia.
fear of height or fear of darkness? Fear
Anything you can tell.
of anything.
Fear of height, fear of darkness.
Or fear of crowded area. Or fear of plants.
वो भी आता है क्या?
वो तो प्रसाद बता सकता है.
हाँ इसको होगा fear of plants.
Okay.
Generally, what do you call the study of plants?
Biology. Sorry,
Botany,
geology.
botany.
Botany, right? So it's
Botany.
that kind of phobia.
Botonophobia.
Botonophobia.
Claustrophobia is there one.
That is for like, yeah, right. Claustrophobic. That is-
Claustrophobic is the closed places or
Yes,
crowded
yes.
places. Yeah.
So do we get the point?
Yes, Anjana got 1 point.
What was the word, Anjana? I didn't get it.
Claustrophobia.
Normally,
Claustrophobia.
heights, I think something
Acrophobia.
Yeah.
For me, some doubt is coming. Prasad, keep your hands up now.
Oh.
Okay.
But I'm only answering. I don't have anything.
No, I know only that one. Only fear of heights.
Okay.
Other question is very easy. To Mohit, father of
Hey,
computer.
it is for us, right? Next
Yeah,
question.
Anjana.
Okay, father of computer.
Huh?
Father of computers.
Charles Babbage.
Yeah.
Correct.
Great memory.
Correct.
That I think first question for the computer class, I guess, in during my school study. First question.
That's the first thing I think we
First
read.
question. Yeah, yeah. And they used to charge separate fees for that computer, but what we learn is that father of computer, what is meant by CPU, what are the main parts of computer, keyboard, CPU, monitor. Those are the questions I remember.
So how many points we have, guys? Keep track. 7.
7. Yeah. So I'm
Cool.
done with the questions. So congratulations, Anjana. You are the winner.
We lost badly.
Wow. So you had a very good recent revision.
So 2 more quiz questions are there that will be handled by Hiranmay.
Okay. Like which team should answer now? Mohit's team. No?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. First president of India.
Sarojini Naidu.
Oh, Mohit is typing.
No. I'm here.
No.
Rajendra Prasad, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Anjana's team. What is photosynthesis?
I can
The way how
Cooking sunlight and cooking,
Cooking.
plants do it.
plants absorbing sunlight and then, doing all it for its growth.
So it is way of plants cooking their food.
Yes.
Okay, like plants consume sunlight and
Yes.
with the
Only
help of
half one.
chlorophyll
use
they
water and
create
sunlight for their, whatever.
food and
Yeah,
give
everything happens.
oxygen.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So Mohit's team, capital of Tripura.
Agartala?
No.
Yes. No.
That's the answer,
Yes,
but
yes.
Okay.
that's for Mohit's team, no? Okay.
No, that's what I answered, right?
Surya is also.
Okay. In my
Same
screen,
team.
Anjana and Surya's side, so I was thinking like
Oh,
they both
okay,
are
I
one
got
team.
confused.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, then move your windows up and down.
Okay, fine. Okay. Now Anjana's team. No? Ornithology is the study of
What?
ornithology.
Ornithology. Yeah.
Ornithology is the study of
Bones.
Organs.
no.
Auto.
Biology and me are completely different.
Ornithology.
I don't know. But I don't know if it's biology or any of these things. I don't know.
Opto means eyes. Ophthalmology means eyes.
Ornithology.
Bones.
Not related to body.
Eh?
Nothing related to body. Nature.
Environment.
Nature.
Sky.
Weather.
Living beings only, but in nature.
Birds.
Birds.
Ah?
Okay. Whose team answered? No, Anjana, your team only.
Yes.
For Mohit team, what is the value of pi?
22/7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3.14.
3.14. Okay. What is the full form of SMS?
Short message
Service.
messaging scheme, something. What?
Scheme.
Service.
Service.
Right.
Short message service. Thanks, Prasad.
Okay. What is the smallest city in the world?
Vatican City.
Yeah. What is the longest river in the world?
Nile.
Yeah.
Right.
First person to step onto the moon.
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong.
Okay. Square root of 256.
16.
16.
Yeah. One language which is palindrome.
Oh.
Malayalam.
Yeah, Malayalam.
Oh, good.
Good.
I didn't.
Who is called Nightingale of India?
Sarojini
Lata
Naidu.
Mangeshkar.
Lata Mangeshkar.
No, Sarojini.
No,
Naidu.
Sarojini.
Right.
Nightingale.
Quiz questions are done.
Sorry, who's keeping track of numbers?
Anyway, Gagan, we won. That's it.
Chalo, good.
So the next round is like a 5-second round in which you have 5 seconds to answer the question. So we'll be asking you a few questions one by one. You need to answer it in 5 questions.
Yeah, how much more time, Praneeth? Yeah, I have.
5 seconds.
No,
No.
so this is the last one.
It's 4:10 now, right now. That's what she
Yeah. So
Okay, we can do it tomorrow then.
yeah. I think let's connect tomorrow then. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, guys. It was fun.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye all.
Thank you.
Bye bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.